So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you don't yet subscribe, guys make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, make sure you like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what GBPJPY is giving us. First thing, you all know the rules of trading. First rule of trading is first, know your trend. Second rule of trading is trade with the trend. So what can we say the trend is on our GBPJPY? Very clear, this is an uptrend move. GBPJPY is what? And it's an uptrend move. So you can clearly see that we are very much bullish. It is very much trending to the upside, right? I mean, take a look at it right here. It's trending to the upside. Now, guys, if you take a look at this right here, market was able to give an high right here, an higher high. This is the higher low, right? Now, this is also the high. Here comes the higher low. Go back. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market then was able to rally up to form a new higher high. You can see that it's rallied up to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high right here. It formed a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. This is an higher low and it is currently playing out. So an higher low is currently playing out on our GBPJPY. So once this higher low plays out finish, guess what you should be expecting next? Market should push up again. It is able to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So whatever you would want to be doing on your GBPJPY, you would want to be going for the buy. So a bullish move is what you should be expecting on your GBPJPY. So be anticipating for that movement to the upside. Now, like guys, take a look at this right here. So this is your high. Here comes the higher low. This is what the higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? So the market has now pushed on to form an equal high right here. This is an equal high. The market has formed, right? Now with this equal high, market was able to pull back, and now we should expect market to push up one more time. So it is able to fully form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high and also taking out this previous high. So guys, whatever you want to be doing on your GBPJPY, you want to be going for the buy. More movement to the upside is what you should be expecting. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the updates. So make sure you click on the subscribe button in order for you not to miss out on the updates.